break down how to make this sleek and secure French twist using a 4-inch Frenchy Grip-Tuth Comb. Gather your hair at the base of your neck, pulling out face framing layers if desired. Use the comb to smooth the ponytail. Then wrap your hair up and around 2 fingers. Use this loop of hair to twist and pull the hair up. You should feel your ends slowly incorporate into the twist. Depending on the length, you can either tuck the ends behind the twist or fold them upwards. Now use this loop to anchor the French twist where you want it on your head. Use the comb to smooth the side and grab the top section with the teeth of the comb. Then scoop this section using the comb and flip it over and insert the edge of the comb into the twist, securing everything within the comb against your scalp. It should feel really nice and secure. You can experiment with where you start your ponytail and the tension you use in your twist to create your ideal French twist hairstyle.
Subscribe to the YouTube channel for real-time, step-by-step instructional hair tutorials using this product and many more. Available and proudly made in the USA by Good Hair Days, a woman-owned, family-operated hair accessories manufacturer since 1996.